This is a brand new 2011 Ford F-150. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 3.7-liter V6. Its top features include air conditioning, a double wishbone independent front suspension, automatic locking wheel hubs, 17-inch wheels, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, a low tire pressure indicator, privacy glass, and 4 well-positioned speakers producing sound quality throughout the cabin. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Sturman & Larkin Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 900 Regis Avenue in Pittsburgh.